Good morning guys, in front of me is Ulefone Power Armor 18 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. Now tap on settings icon, select languages and tap on add keyboard. Select the language that you want to use your device in. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language or tap on search button and enter desired one. Tap on done, and now you can stay either with both languages or remove one language to stay with your preferred language only. To do it, tap on edit, mark it and select delete. And as you can see, it is already applied. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.